Today I want to show you how to connect the engine heater, where you can buy cheap online. The one I chose is 1000 watts, but you can get 1500 or 2000 watts, even bigger. And I'm going to put it on my, well, actually I have mounted on my X5 e53 2001 model, and it's 3-liter gasoline. First you have to find your return hose from the cabin heater. And it's all the way in there, and it ends up here, and this is where you put your T piece, T connector, and then down to the side mate, which you see here. You see the hose there, comes up here and then to the T piece. Now that's the inlet. Then from the outlet of the heater you put a one-way valve on the return to the engine, and there you have a T piece as well. Let me find a way to, there you have the engine heater. Then on the shit. This is the return to the engine down there, and this is the T piece, and this is from the engine heater. But then you need another one-way valve, and this is the one. This is the one that comes from the circulation pump. You need to have one-way valve to prevent the heat water to come into this way, so it will always return down there, and it works fabulously. Now I have 1000 watts. I recommend you to buy 1500 or 2000. It will go much quicker. But due to my fuse, I cannot put more than 1000 watts, included the cabin heater, electrical. This is the return from the end compartment heater, the left one. Just put a T piece there. So there are two one-way valves. One is there and one there.